Hi everyone, welcome to Shut Up and Fix Body Che. I'm Che and today we're diving into body weight back workout. No weights, no equipment needed, but we do need one thing, a ball of power. Place it under your ASIS and this will reduce pressure on your lower back and allow better core and back engagement. During this workout, we'll focus on 8 body weight exercises, including number 1, the alphabet series, YWTM, 30 seconds each, and number 2, swimming inspired moves, 60 seconds each. This will strengthen your back, posture, and reduce pain in the shoulders and traps. If you're all set, let's get started.
Number 1. Make a thumbs up gesture with your hands and lift your arms into a Y shape. Keep your gaze down and neck neutral. If your lower body feels okay, point your toes into the ground. If not, rest the tops of your feet on the floor. Exhale as you lift, inhale as you lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 2. Form a W shape by bending your elbows and lifting them. Keep your neck neutral and shoulders down and pack your shoulder blades. Think of them sliding into your back pockets. Exhale on the lift, inhale as you lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 3. Extend your arms to the sides in a T shape with thumbs up. Raise your arms but don't lift your upper body. Exhale up, inhale down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 4. Create an M shape by bringing your elbows close to your body with palms facing up. Keep your core tight and shoulders down. Exhale as you lift, inhale as you lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 5. Start lying flat with hands resting lightly on your forehead. Inhale as you lift into Y. Lift your legs off the ground as well. Exhale as you move into W. Inhale to Y and exhale as you rest to the mat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 6. We will combine Y, T, and M this time. Begin in a Y position with thumbs up. Transition smoothly into T by lifting your upper body. Lower into M with hands near your hips, and then reverse back to T and then Y. Keep your gaze on the mat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 7. Start with arms in a Y shape. Slowly pull down into T and then M, bringing your hands near your hips with palms up. Reverse back to Y. Ensure arms stay high as they transition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 8. Assume a swimming position. Lift your arms and legs off the ground. Alternate lifting opposite arms and legs in a paddling motion. Breathe in for 2 counts and then out for 2 counts. Or follow the Pilates 100 breathing, 5 counts in, 5 counts out if you can. Each set of arm and leg kicks counts as 1. Let's do this together 30 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's it. We've completed the alphabet series and swimming inspired moves. My own journey has been long and challenging, but consistent practice has made a difference. Let's keep working together to reduce pain and build a stronger, healthier back. Thank you for joining me today. This was Shut Up and Fix Body Tea, and I'll see you in the next video.